I think, like I always tell y'all, my personal opinion, a 75 is supposed to be clean. I don't think a 75 deserves a candy. I think it need to keep a base coat clear. You know what I'm saying? Vinyl top. You know, the original look. You know, that's my personal opinion. All the ones I've seen out there, man, that's clean the original, man, they look real nice. I want them to change the dashboard to digital, none of that shit, man. It's made by old school, man, you know? And the Daytons just set this bitch right off, man. You know, so I'm glad they, you know, they're still making the chrome Daytons. Man, they set this bitch off. No other rims can make this car look no better.
This ain't epidemic, you hear me? Y'all watching KandyonChrome, coldest in the game.
'75 Caprice Classic, OG style, man. It's plain and simple, man. You know what I'm saying? He ain't got to compete with nobody. You know what I'm saying? He in his own motherfucking lane, man. Original black paint, original top white, original interior. Put some nice speed on it. In his own lane, man. You know what I'm saying? What's up, YouTube? KandyonChrome coming live, man. We at BTS in the city, baby. The real deal, man. We got a little special tune today for y'all, man. We got original interior, this motherfucker. Nice gloss black. Oh my God, man. The car clean, nice. And look, old school game, man. We got the 24-inch triple chrome, all chrome, Daytons, custom, pinstripe, and white stripe. Y'all know what it is, man. Old school game, man. Clean ass 75. Got him in the chokehold, man. One of a kind, man. Yeah, man, this car here, man, you wouldn't believe it. 36,000 original miles. I'm gonna give you the right numbers. 3676 slash, I don't know, but it's 36,000 miles. Almost 37,000 for a 75. Come on, man. Wow. That's like brand new, man. There's no miles. That's just all original, man, you know. Got the original steering wheel. It's a nice clean setup, man. Got power. You know, steering wheel. Got cruise control. Caprice Classic, man. One of a kind, man. I like it. It's really nice and clean. Somebody got him a real clean one. And he in his own lane, man. Everywhere you go, you gonna snap heads. Everybody gonna look at it, take pictures of it. That's what it's about, man, you know? I'm not knocking off frame, but it is what it is, man. Plain and simple.
Told fire without worry about it. From up north, back down south. I'm the one nigga every nigga heard about. Get murdered by it, just point them out. And watch me act a fool, boy. I'm so certified with this street shit. You'll think I went to school for it. I graduated with honors. Home of dogs, token llamas. But when I'm on the top, I got one thing in common. Both of them got a whole lot of commas. My niggas really about that drama. But none of my dogs ain't acting. You should see all this money I'm stacking. You swear nigga turbo taxing. Got some white boys and white collar. A few robbing ass ain't shit. Got some cheap codes. Keep cold one way around the organization. And I'm a dog playing flavor. We play the game with no rules. From Florida City back to cool. Bitch, I'm signed, stamped in the pool. Bitch, I'm certified.
I'm certified. I'm certified. We the niggas in the street that you done heard about. I'm certified. I'm certified. I'm certified. I'm certified. Started with a block and flip that bitch like 30 times. I'm certified. I'm certified. I'm certified. I'm certified. We talking chicken, boy. Kentucky Fried. I'm certified. I'm certified. I'm certified. I'm certified. Pump that line and I'ma take you for that murder ride.
I had it for 17 years, so it's different. So that's ever since I've been had it. Had it since 2001.
Beautiful, man. Beautiful. You don't see many of these model colors with the light over light.
Yeah, original.
What are you gonna do next to it?
I'm gonna put some feet on it. Yeah, just gonna square the shit up a little bit. Probably do the inside the same color over again. Just a little bit of upgrade.
Kentucky Fried. I'm certified. I'm certified. I'm certified. I'm certified. That line and I'ma take you for that murder ride. Street nigga, I'm certified. You was flipping burgers, I was serving pies. Dead chicken, Kentucky Fried. A few biscuits, no curly fries. My Rolex say murder time. I'm from Overtown, I deserve to shine. I'm a hood nigga, I live it, and I put that on airline. Speaking facts, boy, I ride around with that act, boy. I done hustle hard with the trap niggas. I done masked up with the jack boy. I drink until I fall out. Fall out, no backboards. You know I fucks with North Miami, West Side, fat boy. Bitch, this the Trayo. Down here we taking shit. DC a savage. I'm first 48 and shit. Put him in a casket. Watch me get to that paper quick. I know niggas out of Zopound. You don't want beef for that Haitian clique. I'm on I-9, watching out for the cop cars. Broward County, West Palm, from Key West to the Bahamas. See my goons wildin' out on stage. They like, my God, I don't know what you gon' do for your respect, but we got
niggas out here playing the wrong position.
I'm certified.
Okay.
Started with a block and flip that bitch like 30 times. I'm certified. I'm certified. I'm certified. I'm certified. Chicken boy, I ain't talking Kentucky Fried. I'm certified. I'm certified. I'm certified. I'm certified. Pump that line and I'ma take you for that murder ride.
November 18th, LS. Y'all come on out. Y'all think it's a joke.
On Sunday, man, listen, it's off the trailer. Do you hear what I say? Off the trailer. You better have your tool. You better have your mechanic. Better have his A game on. Everything better be on point. Because on Sunday, ain't no say, hey, let me take a pass. I'm gonna get here early. None of that, man. None of that. Have your car ready to go on Sunday when the gates open. The lanes will be hot. Mark my word. Friday and Saturday, you better. If you got a bill of motor in the pit. If you gotta change the transmission in the pit, if you gotta change tires, you gotta tune your car, whatever you gotta do it Friday and Saturday.
There ain't no trespass, everything gonna be on time, so it ain't no ducking and hiding. When your time comes, we gonna get on the microphone and let you know your time is here. So go on, lay your young head, boy.
I'm telling you, if you're not in Orlando on the 18th, man, you're missing out. It's gonna be classic weekend. Everybody gonna be in Orlando. All the hotels gonna be packed. Everything gonna be packed, man. Listen, you gotta come on the 18th. You're gonna see what racing's all about.
Man, fuck all that, dog. Fuck all that. We just sum this shit on up, dog.
It's quite alright. Throwing the wind.
Caught me a 7-tray Chevy, put the dubs on that bitch. Kelly Apple Green niggas loving this shit. And when a minute I act the fool.
The KandyonChrome line.
Savage life. Savage life.